What's up, YouTube? This is my most recent vehicle purchase. It's a 2002 Chevy Silverado 1500. It's a Z71 and it's got the 5.3 liter V8. Picked it up in North Dakota, and one of the main reasons I picked this one is the lack of rust. Check it out. Rocker panels are fully intact. It's got a dent right there, but not an ounce of rust. So that's pretty hard to find up north, and it definitely made this one special. You can see here it had some marks from fender flares that were on it in the past. I don't even know why someone would want them when there's no rust, but it does have some meaty tires. They are just the stock size though. It's got centerline wheels, but they are pretty corroded, so when it needs a new set of tires I might think about getting different ones. One of the previous owners put drilled and slotted rotors on. Thought that was interesting. I'm just glad they don't pulse when you push the brakes, so they're not warped, and they have plenty of pad life left. It's got a dual exhaust Y-pipe style with a Flowmaster type of muffler on there. It's got sort of a moan versus a crack like you would have with true dual systems. One of the owners did some work on the tailgate. Opens really smooth. But look at this, they forgot to put in the pins for the cables, so can't really put it down. So that's a part I'll be looking for sure. It does have a number of dents on it. I suppose that's not uncommon for a 23-year-old truck. None of them are too crazy big. Like I said, I'm just glad there's no rust. That's major. The tires are good. They'll last me a good while. It's LS trim, so it's cloth interior with your basic power options like the windows, locks. I would prefer a center console, but this one has got the jump seat. At least it still has cup holders, but it'd be nice to have a better spot to put my phone. It already came with a Bluetooth stereo, so that's one upgrade I won't have to do. But it will need speakers at some point because they're a little raspy. Here's the back seat. It's an extended cab. I have the seat folded up so I can have my dog back here. The carpet's not too bad. It's mostly the driver's seat that's kind of stained. It's got some dirt and stuff from the worker who had it in the past. And the steering wheel's got a rip in it. It does have a lot of miles though, so I'm not too surprised. I guess it'd be cool to think you could find a mint condition truck that's this old, but it's pretty hard, especially in today's market. I put my floor mats in here. The other ones it came with were kind of gross, so I just threw them out. I spent a good hour and a half just vacuuming the interior out and giving the plastic a quick wipe down. Made a huge difference. The people before me really didn't treat it well. They just left it nasty and dirty all the time, didn't clean anything. I just can't live like that. I even wiped up the inside of the windshield because it just looked gross. Perks of buying from a private party, huh? Looks like it's got the torsion keys cranked up. I did look under there. I could see that the bolts were pretty far in. Looks good. I think it's nice and level. Nothing's lifted in the back, but the front has a nice aggressive stance. I think it looks good. And it's not riding terribly hard. headlights look surprisingly good. It already has LEDs on the low beams. I added some on the daytime running lights and the reverse lights. Show you all under the hood. I've already made one repair to it. It needed a thermostat. It wouldn't hit operating temp, so I got that done. There it is down there. Made a big mess when I did it. I had to replace 2 gallons of coolant, but it is running a lot better now. The AC still works. That's really nice for something like this. Runs great. There are no ticks. The alternator's newer. The belts are in good shape. So there is a lot to like about this truck. It's got a newer battery too. Doesn't appear to be leaking very much oil. That's kind of a rare thing on these old LS motors. It does have ABS light that comes on most of the time. Every once in a while you'll start the truck up and it doesn't turn on. But the guy said he already replaced the wheel bearings, so I'm guessing it might be the ABS module. And the check engine light stays on for 3 codes, 2 for the catalytic converters and 1 for the NOx sensors. I'm guessing it just needs new cats. It's P0420 and 430, so let me know if I'm right. I might have to do some more diagnostics, but I'm kind of dreading that expense. NOx sensors aren't that big of a deal. This here is broken. That's pretty common. That's a very cheap fix though. For now I just open the inside. The bed is surprisingly clean, considering no bed liner. Doesn't have too much for dents. It actually looks pretty good for being so old. Cruises down the highway, no problem. The steering is a little bit sloppy because it could use a idler and possibly a pitman arm. But it's otherwise doing pretty well on the highway. We'll need all 4 shocks. I have those ordered. I got some Rancho ones coming from Rock Auto. But yeah, it's definitely nice to have a vehicle that doesn't have a loan, because I'm thinking about moving soon and I don't want to have big car payments hanging over my head. So I'm going to be doing a few more repairs on this truck, and after that hopefully it will be reliable and, for the money, a good daily driver.